Welcome guys to this video. Now this video will be simplifying this using the change of base of logarithms. Now here the question, simplify log 3 to base 2, 4 to base 3 times 5 to base 4 times 6 to base 5 and so on. We are going to use the change of base of logarithm to do this. Now I want you to look at this problem. How is this possible? Now let's first consider the two products, the first two products. We have log 3 to base 2 times log 4 to base 3. Now consider this. So you consider this. Okay? Now this is equal to, now considering this, look at it. To simplify this, let's change the base of this second term to 2. So let's change base to 2. Let's change their bases to 2. Already this has a base 2. So let's change this one. So we're going to be changing this one now. So that will lead us to log 3 to base 2 times, change of base of logarithm, about that. If you have log a to base b, you want to change it to base c. You would simply say log a to base c divided by log b to base c. That's what you get. So we're going to apply that here. That will be times log 4 to base 2. This is the new base. This 2 here is a new base, divided by log 3 to base 2. Now look at that. So this simply means the log here and the log here are the same. So they multiply, they cancel, and that resolves to log 4 to base 2. Have you seen that? So the first two products gives us log 4 to base 2. Now let's go on. How about this one? So in the same way, log 5 to base 4 times log 6 to base 5. Okay? Considering that, let's change the base. Let's change base to 4 here. Let's change base to 4. So that would mean that log 5 to base 4 times changing base to base 4. So you're going to consider this. That would mean log 6 to base 4 over log 5 to base 4. And that would be equal to what? That would simply, this is a new base now. Changing it to base 4. And you see that here and here can cancel out, So what do you have left? That will be equal to log 6 to base 4. So we've done this. Now it's left for this one. So I want you to think, in the same way, how can we evaluate that? So it's just exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing is what we're going to do. Now, I believe you've already pictured what we're going to have. What do you think we're going to have here? It's going to be, at once you just say the log of 7, the log to base 7, you cancel, you would have log 8 to base 6. Alright, let's look at it. And this last place will be log 7 to base 6 times log 8 to base 7. Let's change base to Let's change base to what? To 6. Let's change base to 6. That would mean that log 7 to base 6 times log 8 to base 6 divided by log 7 to base 6. Alright, so we have here so we have here log 8 to base 6, that's to base 6. So we cancel that equal to log 8 to base 6. Okay. Now looking at this, we are still simplifying. We are not yet through. So what else do you think we can simplify these to? From here, let's make a little statement. Let's say that log 2 to base 3 times log 4 to base 3 times log 5 to base 4. Log 3 to base 2. Log 3 to base 2 times log 4 to base 3 times log 5 to base 4 times logarithm of 6 to base 5 times logarithm of 7 to base 6 times logarithm of 8 to base 7 is equal to this other part. So the result gives us log 4 to base 2 times log 6 to base 4 times log 8 to base 6. So we're going to make use of this and simplify it further. Now look at that. Okay, so what do you think? What do you think we continue with? All right. Now here, this should be equal to, let's consider this. Consider log 4 to base 2 times log 6 to base 4. Considering that, let's change base to 4. Let's change base to 4. That to mean to 4. Okay, even if we change it to 4, no problem. But let's change base to 2. Okay, let's change base to 2. That would mean log 4 to base 2 times log 6 to base 2 divided by log 4 to base 2. And seeing that this cancels this, so you are left with log 6 to base 2. Is that okay? Now remember that this was multiplied with this. So we're still having log 8 to base 6 left. Now we have that, considering this, we have that this is equals to this. That log 4 to base 2 times log 6 to base 4 is equals to log 6 to base 2. That means log 6 to base 2 times log 8 to base 6 is still left. So changing base to to 2 would have log 6 to base 2 times log 8 to base 2 divided by log 6 to base 2. And you can see the cancellation here, which gives us log 8 to base 2. And log 8 to base 2 is equal to what? 3. Wow! So the result here is equal to 3. All right, that's good enough. Think that's simple enough? So we've simplified this till you get 3 as an answer. Thank you.